After 18 months of delay, the City RICO case against 21-year-old Ayla King resumed this morning for less than an hour. When Fulton County Superior Court Judge Kevin Farmer called the jury into the courtroom within the first 30 minutes of the trial, this is what happened.
Thank you for your service. I know this has been a long and winding road. Okay, and it's been some 16 months since y'all last saw this courthouse. And at this time, I am going to declare a mistrial in this case, which means y'all are done.
Now, don't get it twisted. A mistrial is not the same thing as an acquittal. So as of right now, the court plans to restart King's trial by selecting a whole new jury. But King's attorney says he's filing an appeal, arguing that the case should be fully dismissed on the basis of something called double jeopardy.
We picked that jury. That's the jury we wanted. So when we got here today and we're told the Court of Appeals says we got to get rid of this jury, we said, you know what? We are waiving that objection to the voir dire openness, and we want to keep this jury and we want to go forward with the jury. The court disagreed with me. The court says, no, I have to follow the Court of Appeals and I have to dismiss the jury, and that's what I'm appealing right now. What I'm appealing right now is that my client has already been placed in jeopardy once, and the Constitution guarantees that you cannot be placed in jeopardy twice. It's in the very first document for this great nation, the U.S. Constitution. Not only that, also the Georgia Constitution guarantees that you shall not be placed in jeopardy more than once. Jeopardy attached when we swore that jury. That's when we were ready to go to trial, and that is the jury we chose. By dismissing the jury, our argument is now they're going to be placed in jeopardy again, and that's double jeopardy.
If the Georgia Court of Appeals happens to rule against Chada Jimenez, then King's new trial will start in September at the earliest. King was arrested when they were just 18 years old, meaning the threat of 20 years in prison has been hanging over their head for most of their adult life. There's so much more to talk about around this case, so stay tuned throughout the week for more posts about the City RICO trial. And if you want to get to know some of the defendants, you can hear some of their stories in their own words at Means TV or on the ACPC YouTube channel if you go to the City RICO playlist.